Hey everybody, this is Brian and this is the Apple Bias. So today we are going to be unboxing and talking about Black Unity band from Apple. They just released it today. You can go online and buy it right now. They also came out with a space gray watch. This all goes in with a previous announcement kind of that they did, and also just in line with Black History Month, which starts today. So they are actually donating, to start out with, $100 million to help improve communities of color. I love it when Apple does stuff to give back, and I think this is a great way to do it. So let's go ahead and let's unbox this thing and take a look at it. Let's get this thing open. Oh, that's cool. This exclusive collection is inspired by the Pan-African flag, red for the blood that unites people of the African diaspora and was shed for their liberation, black for the black people whose existence is affirmed by the flag, the green for the vibrant natural wealth of Africa, the motherland. The flag represents the enduring sacrifices made by generations for a more equitable world and symbolizes the communal commitment to dismantling the systemic inequities that diminishes the civil and human rights of black people. So there you have it. There's the band. Normally I wouldn't do a band unboxing, but I felt like this one definitely deserved it. It's beautiful. So is the watch face. I haven't fully figured out how that works, because it kind of looks at your mood for the day and then gears it towards that, and that's how it looks. So, but I haven't fully confirmed that yet. The store was also really cool. It was fully decked out within the watch area with the colors and everything. Sadly, it was blocked off in my store, so I couldn't get back there and get any video or pictures, but if I can find anything, I'll post them right now in the video. But highly recommend buying this band. It is just awesome. The reason behind it is awesome. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.